Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell cryptos on the blockchain wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the blockchain wallet app. Then you have to tap on the plus icon in the middle of the screen, which is going to open up all the different crypto options that you have. You can either swap, send, receive, you can get rewards, or sell and buy crypto. Now, if you want to sell your cryptos, you just have to tap on the sell page, and you can only do this if your account is verified. So you should do that first, because as you can see, with the basic account, you can only swap cryptos, send and receive cryptos, but with a verified account you can also buy and sell cryptos. You can swap cryptos between all wallets, and you can also earn rewards with your cryptos. So you just have to verify your account, and it's going to open up the selling page where you can choose from your wallets and you can sell any amount of crypto from your wallets. So that is for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.